How to set up an auto reply on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure the professional dashboard appears above the Edit Profile button. This confirms your account is set to either a creator or business profile, which is necessary for auto replies. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the section titled How Others Can Interact with You, then tap Messages and Story Replies. Now choose Message Controls. Look for the Allow Access to Messages option and turn on the toggle switch. Once that's done, exit Instagram and open your App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Meta Business Suite. This is an app by Facebook that helps manage business accounts. Go ahead and download and install it. After installing, open the Meta Business Suite app. It might open a Facebook account by default. Tap Login with a different account, then choose Login with Instagram. You'll now see all the Instagram accounts linked on your device. Tap the one where you want to enable the auto reply. Tap Allow, then press Get Started. Dismiss any pop-ups like Create Story or Create Reel to confirm you're viewing your Instagram profile inside the app. At the bottom right of the Meta Business Suite app, tap More, then go into Settings. Look for the Automations option and select it. Now tap on Instant Reply and switch on the toggle for Instagram. Tap the pencil icon to edit the message. Delete the default text and write your own. For example, "Thanks for reaching out." Once you've written your message, tap Save in the top right corner. Now, whenever someone sends a message to your Instagram business profile, they'll instantly get your auto reply. And that's it.